This week I've got the Volvo XC40 Recharge. It's a fully electric 5-seater SUV. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The child seat section of this review is brought to you by InfoSecure. In the back of the XC40 Recharge, there are ISOFIX in the two outer seats. They are within plastic guides and nice and easy to connect to. There are top tether anchorages on the back of all three seats and they're easily accessible through the boot. Now I can only fit two InfoSecure child seats in the back of the XC40. I've got the Aspire More and the Achieve More in the back here. I did find I could just squeeze a versatile folding booster seat in between the two, but I wouldn't want it as a full-time solution. Now I did find legroom in the XC40 Recharge to be quite tight. In the passenger side, in front of a rear-facing child seat, it was really tight for a 180 centimetre passenger. On the driver's side, probably about a 170 centimetre driver would fit in front of a rear-facing child seat. To learn more about the child seats used in this video, just click on the link here. Storage in the back of the XC40 Recharge is quite minimal. There are two cup holders in a fold down in the central seat back. They'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. On the back of both front seats there are net map pockets that will hold but not conceal an iPad. And the door bins are small in the back here. Although they're carpeted so nothing rattles around, only a 600ml water bottle would fit, and there are the little handle wells in the doors too. Storage in the front of the XC40 is good. There are two cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. Behind them there is a good sized central console box and it's got a little well in front of that with a lid. In front of the gear lever there's another hidden little area for maybe the keys, and in front of that is a wireless phone charging pad and room in there for your glasses too. There's no glasses case in the ceiling. There's another little storage on the side of the central console, good for the passenger's phone. The glove box is a good size in here, that would fit my wallet with the manual, but the iPad wouldn't fit. And the door bins are much better size in the front. They'll hold a large refillable water bottle and an iPad fits in them too. There are aircon vents in the back of the XC40 Recharge, which is fantastic for keeping rear passengers the right temperature while you're driving along. The boot of the XC40 opens electronically and nice and quietly. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot.
Empty, it will hold 12 shopping bags, or a twin pram and 3 shopping bags, or a tandem pram and 4 shopping bags, or a single pram and 4 shopping bags, or a compact stroller and 8 shopping bags, or a medium-sized dog.
Now this is the twin motor variant. It does 0 to 100 in 4.9 seconds, so it's seriously fast. It does about 418 kilometres to a full battery charge, which is a decent amount. Now it's nice and easy to charge in the socket here, and you keep the cables in the frunk under the bonnet. The XC40 Recharge is a fantastic car to drive. Now I'm going to tell you my worst first, which are these seats. They are so uncomfortable. I don't know what's with these headrests. You have to sit as if you're kind of straining to look at a computer the whole time. Apart from that, it's great. Now visibility is really good in here, even with child seats in the back. That's been fantastic. Now being fully electric, you've got all the fantastic benefits of that for families. So nice and quiet start, really nice smooth quiet drive as well. And you can drive your kids to sleep and do all the usual school runs and everything without churning through fuel and polluting the planet. So it's really fantastic. The media system in the XC40 is really nice and simple to use. You've got Google in here, so you've got Google Maps, you can access your account. You can also access your own Spotify account as well, which is fantastic. Now within the settings screen, you can access the charging screen to find out exactly what charge you've got left and set timers to charge it. Now when you put it into reverse, the camera image, the 360 from above, is lovely and clear, and so is the image from the front and the sides. However, when it comes to the reversing camera, there's got this shark mouth shape, which just found that parking and manoeuvring was a little bit difficult when reversing. Now you can turn the parking sensors on and off on the screen, which is fantastic. So to sum up with the XC40 Recharge, it's been a fantastic car with our family this week. Fits those 2 child seats nicely in the back and a twin stroller in the boot too. We did find the legroom was a little bit cramped in there for taller adults. Now the media system is good, the drive is fantastic, and being fully electric, there's all those benefits for families, like when you're driving your kids to sleep and doing the school drop-offs, etc. You're not churning through fuel, you're just using your battery power alone.